I've had this cube for 3 years. I think it's 2017 model. I've done about 3,500 kilometers now. I was at one time using it a lot, like 20 odd miles each way every day, but I've eased up on that now, so now I use it more for recreation. Some things about 3 years, so it does need some adjustments. So I noticed the head racers needed adjusting, which I'll show in another video. I've added the mud guards, I've changed a few things, I've put the original seat back on. Tyres are still the original tyres. I've had one puncture in the back. I mean, the main thing I'd say is when it comes to 3 years old, or even a bike that you're using a lot, really you need to keep on top of the service items. So I thought if I go over the basics and then I'll do some videos if you're interested in those of what to look for. So I mean, the main thing is that you always check your bike, check your brakes, you know. Cleaning is a good way. When you clean your bike, then you'll be looking at the overall condition of everything, you know. Even if you clean the tyres, for instance, you can see if there's anything in the tyres that need taking out. The wheels, spin them, make sure the bearings are good. Spokes, make sure all the spokes are tight. The wheel's true when you spin it. The belt's adjusted properly, and it's not too loose, otherwise that can cause problems. And then, like I say, hopefully what I'll do is I'll go into detail in a lot of those things, just to help you to keep on top of maintenance. Hope that helps. If it does, subscribe to me and then you'll see when I post out new videos. Look forward to your likes and comments.